looking for an angel in these hills, looking for a map to find what we left behind, knowing that we will always end up right where we start. 'Cause I got time on my head, hope on my heart. We both understand we weren't meant to be apart. April showers bring me flowers. I have seen rain before, but if Sunday morning lets that sun in, what are we waiting for?
Advice that I would give to young people, or anybody for that matter, to be successful, I would say first and foremost to treat others the same way that you would like to be treated. That's the golden rule, and it may sound very old-fashioned, but it holds true in all cases.
Can I take you with me? Can you come and get me? Where we going? We going to this place called Stardom. If we leave now, we could be there by autumn. Can we leave now?
My interpretation of a hero is could be anyone that's willing to get involved to help another person.
Do you consider yourself a hero?
No, not really.
Why is that?
Because a hero is a special person. I don't consider myself a special person.
Okay. What have you done to make a positive difference in someone's life?
I've been working in law enforcement for 34 years. Now I'm into campus security, so I'm always helping other people. My hero? I have more than one hero in my life, and they are my children.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Foster Grinnell. I go to Art Institute of Philadelphia. I study culinary arts, and I'm 20 years old. My definition of a hero is somebody you can look up to, somebody who doesn't have to be smart, the smartest person, but is true and will tell you the facts, how it is. Somebody who's there for you no matter what, always there, and could keep a smile on your face that I do for my little sister every day, just to make them feel special and show them affection. My hero is one, God, and my second hero is my mother. These people and this wonderful God, He put us through everything. He made me here who I am. My mother, she's an amazing person. I love her to death. And that's my two heroes.
Okay. It's like it's in me. Why? I think you're a hero because you chose to figure out what it is that Quan was here for, and to really find out how to be yourself and no matter what situation you are in, but also to adapt. It's like you chose to be you're in this neighborhood, and I saw working with you the struggle and the lure that the streets can sometimes have on young people, and you chose to fight it, not to say that you're a punk or anything, but just to say that you didn't let the streets define who you were and who you are. You know that that's where you came from, and you enjoy some things from it, but it's like you were willing to step out onto your own path, even though it was something that's unknown and very different from what you're used to. And so, to me, that's a hero. But sometimes heroes have to be willing to have the courage to step out and to take the road less traveled, to do something that has not been done before, and not worry about what other people are saying.
just a breath away, losing my faith today.
Falling off the edge today.
I am just a man, not superhuman.
I'm not superhuman.
Someone save me from the hate. It's just another war, just another family torn.
Falling from my feet today.
Just a step on the edge, just another day in the world we live. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero.
Hello out there. My name is Elizabeth Stiles. I am 41 years old and the mother of 5 children. I work for the School District of Philadelphia as an SSA.
Why do you think I chose you as my hero?
I think you chose me as your hero because you've seen me go through numerous obstacles in life and see that I've handled them well enough to show how strong a person I am. And that's what it takes when you are a parent, to set the standard and the example. I do love to help people in times of need. I don't require payment for those things. That's another thing that a hero doesn't do. So some people might consider that, or even consider me as one, but I'm just me.
I chose my madre because she is all around awesome. She's held my family together, all 200 some of them. She has balanced her life, her house, and other people's personal problems throughout.
Good job, Pickett.
Great job. Proud of you. Trying my best. You did great.
My name is Rick Leak. I'm a teacher and coach here at Girard College High School. A hero is someone who does something that other people admire and can gain solace from it, can gain enjoyment from it, can gain inspiration from it. No, I don't. I think I do well for some people. I might be a mentor for some people, but a hero is much more important than something that I am. Most men, when I were growing up, would consider their father their hero. Someone who's not in the public eye, but someone who just goes to work every day, provides for their family, does the right thing, and is a benefit to society. That's a real hero.
That'll help you get by. You gotta live and learn. You gotta crash and burn. You gotta make some stances and take some chances. You gotta live and love and take all life has to give. You gotta live and learn so you can learn to live. Though I left home and I went to Carolina, I then set off just to see what I could see. I did something that I wasn't really proud of. Sometimes life just got the best of me, but I